Welcome back to the build. For those of you who are new, this is a Peugeot 206 body shell with Subaru Impreza running gear. I have finished working on the wiring loom for now. I will pack the wires away and move on to some other jobs. The next job is to get these covers fitted over the rear arches. I also need to mount the expansion bottle for the radiator. The stock bottle fits nicely over the arch. Before I can get the driver's side installed, I need to fit the fuel filler. Everything is ready to install. However, the tank breather pipe is really worn. When I go to bend it slightly, it just kinks. So I have some newer hose I can replace it with. Next, I need to get the blanking plate riveted to the car. When the sealant dries out, I will overpaint it with some more underseal. Now we have both of the inner arch liners fitted. I need to make a footplate for the passenger. Also, I need to protect the ECU. So next I'll start making some templates and the design. That will do both jobs. The seats are so much further back than they were in the original Subaru, therefore I can bring this footplate quite a bit further away from the firewall. I've just made a couple of M6 studs to screw into the mount for the ECU. This should give me the bolt pattern I need for the backplate for the footrest. I will now try and figure out the angle of the footrest. This means I need to figure out what's a comfortable angle for the legs and where the foot will naturally rest. That's roughly how high the seat will be, maybe about there. The angle that the ECU is set is actually not far off, so I can make it pretty much parallel, I think. Next I'm making the side plates. So that's about right for me. Anyone over 6'5" might be slightly uncomfortable. I need to reinforce the foot plate slightly. I'm going to use this aluminium angle and just put a couple of braces across. Thank you for watching another episode. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you very soon.
Noisy tractor.